He scooped it to short fine leg, and it catches taken. What a wonderful plan. Shahid takes the catch. Look at this. Dilshan has failed on the vision of this tournament. This could be wicket number 2. Mubarak goes for biggie, and it is wicket number 2. Pakistan on fire. Razak goes short again, and a punch through mid-wicket. This is a very quick outfield. In fact, it gets there.
This is beautifully played shot. Down the hill, go for the boundary.
Good pickup from Sanaf. Very good pickup. He's got his revenge. Razaki was down, but it's Jasuria who is out.
Gone straight to first slip. Misbah-ul-Haq takes the catch, and now Sri Lanka in real trouble. Lost Mahela Jayawardene. This is the 4th wicket in the 6th over. Was that deliberate? Almost deliberate. It's 4 priceless runs at this stage for Sri Lanka. Sweep shot in the air for a while. Oops. Misjudged it. There was that fielder coming from the opposite end. There were 2 fielders in the deep. Just for a moment, Misbah thought maybe Mohammad Amir might get there.
That's a good shot from Sangakkara. Will the fielder cut it off? No, a much-needed boundary. Sangakkara trying to fight back. And that could be 4 more. Gets an inside edge, I think, on it. Yes, he does. Back-to-back boundaries. Pulled away, straight to mid-wicket. Yes, gone. It's Gul again. Every time he bowls, he takes wickets. Pakistan on fire. Bowled him, down the slope, drifting in. Star performer for the big game, Shahid Afridi.
Matthews coming back for the second. That's well run. He's cleared mid-wicket. It's a boundary, so that's handy.
Well, a terrific start to the over, the 17th over. Sangakkara moves on to 50 from 44 deliveries. Something to cheer about for Sri Lanka.
There's the bouncer again, and it's expensive. That's a good over for Sri Lanka. The 100 comes up. He's attempted the Yorker, but Sangakkara has made the most of it. Just got it on the full. Wonderful timing.
Well, he's in charge now. Kumar Sangakkara playing a real captain's innings.
Well, that's a great shot. Beautifully timed, so that's done the trick. Another good over for Sri Lanka. 113 for 6.
Bonus ball. Still in this game, just about in this game, Sri Lanka.
Matthews just moved back a little bit just to try and avoid that Yorker length, and he's succeeded.
What a good execution this is. He second-guessed Umar Gul that he's going to bowl Yorkers.
Matthews skies it. Nidoff coming in, cover going back, and it lands between them.
Younis Khan at extra cover with a desperate.
There it goes.
Danger area.
Oh, and he's played a good one. This young man, he's doing a terrific job for Sri Lanka. It'll be cut off, so they won't quite get the 140. But that's a pretty competitive score from Sri Lanka. Let's fight back, headed by their skipper.
So Pakistan would need to chase 139 if they were to become World 2020 champions.
Oh, beautiful timing out of the coaching manual there for Kamran Akmal. Right in the slot. Don't think there was much swing, and pierced the offside field. It's high. Shahid Afridi took a good one. Shahid Afridi took a good one earlier in the tournament. Matthews is a very good fielder, and it would have needed something spectacular. It was always going away from him, but look at the commitment to it. There's no one at fine leg. There's no one anywhere near to it. And it's a little bit lucky for Shahid, but it's 4 off the inside. Nice lofted shot from Kamran Akmal. Is it a pitching wedge? No. He does have enough on it to get for 4. 26 without loss after 4.
In the crowd.
That's a big advantage of having someone like Kamran Akmal who's always looking for the big shot. He's backed himself to play that shot. He would have been kicking himself if it had gone to the fielder, but he backed himself to clear it and cleared it in style. This is now turning out to be a match-winning opening. Well, he's got the wicket. So obviously Sangakkara's plan working. And Jayasuriya is delighted. They needed a wicket, and they've got the danger man Kamran Akmal for 37 from 28 balls. But he's provided Pakistan what they wanted. Very decent start. Went all the way.
That's more like it. San realizing he can't just push and prod.
Well, he's gone for it again and beats the man at cover. Deep. Just amount to cover. He's hit it hard. I wonder if they just unlocked him.
Very, very good. Back-to-back boundaries just when he needed them.
Straight to short fine leg and easily taken. So Jayasuriya takes the catch once again. And Shahzeb's ICC World T20 is over. 19 from 23. Simple catch right on the edge of the 30-yard circle.
Afridi, he's got hold of one.
That's the boundary. It's the 6th boundary in the innings. 2 sixes also. 3 sixes in fact. It's definitely eased the pressure for Pakistan.
Now he's smashed one through the covers. I think he's on a tear here. I think he's finishing this off quickly.
It's a good Yorker to start. They should look for 2 here. Scramble through and get 2.
One thing for sure, Shahid Afridi will have a go at this over at Udana.
Oh, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Down the Finchley Road somewhere. Huge shot. It's coming home. Pakistan need 13 from 13. Oh, full toss. It might be a no ball, but it's 4. Steered away to fine leg. 50 for Afridi. He's moved on to 52. It's a no ball over waist height. 9 to win Pakistan. Good Yorker to finish the over. He wants 1. Afridi says that will do. Single. Terrific over for Pakistan. 132 for 2. clear play from Afridi. You just sense that he thinks job done. One hit now, just one hit wins the game. Slow delivery. Worked away down the leg side. This runs away quickly for 4. And he's got a tickle on it, inside edge. We're nearly there. Pakistan need 2 runs from 10 deliveries. Get through for a single, scores a level. Afridi fittingly hits the winning run. Shahid Afridi, big man, big game, it's a leg by, who cares? 139 for 2 and Pakistan invade the pitch. Handshakes all round, it's been a wonderful tournament, a fantastic tournament, and it's Pakistan. And yes, you might say fittingly win this 2020 World Cup. They've overhauled Sri Lanka and 2 super teams have been in the final. It's Pakistan, Wasim.
What a great comeback by Pakistan side. They're all saying thank to them. And look at the people there. Very cool performance under pressure by Pakistanis. Younis Khan led from the front and everybody responded at the right time.
It's been an excellent performance and it's played in a really good spirit. 2 real battling nations, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. And Sri Lanka, a proud nation, got themselves up to 138 for 6 at the end of the innings. Sangakkara played beautifully for them. But Pakistan have been strong in their batting effort. They'll be absolutely thrilled with the trophy, with the tournament, with the manner in which they've played. And this will be a great tonic for the people of Pakistan. It's been a lovely day here at Lord's.
Younis, what a turn your team from the start of the tournament to now, incredible.
Yeah, it was fantastic. You know, we are underdog and nobody think about this. So that's why we have less pressure all the time. And then suddenly we're turning on a big games, and especially the performance like Afridi, Saeed Ajmal, Umar Gul, and then we have a partnership as well. So I think all credit goes to the team and all nation.
When did you feel in the tournament that the momentum was changing and you were starting to play like you wanted to?
Now, I would know before the tournament that we have a couple of match winners, player like Kamran Akmal, Afridi, and myself, and then Misbah as well, because he's averaging around 50 or something like that. So I would know, but at that time I didn't know what will be a good combination. And suddenly we have a find. Razak was there, and Shahzeb is from open the bat, and then suddenly we have a momentum going.
Let's get on today. In a final, it's important you start well, and you did start well with bat and ball.
Yeah, actually, a team like us, we need a good start, and suddenly we have a couple of match winners and good bowler and the depth bowler, and then Umar Gul is also, and in batting as well, because we need start like that, and suddenly we are turning on.
Just tell us, you're a very emotional man. What does it mean after everything that's happened to Pakistan cricket? What does it mean for you, your country, your fans, to come back like this and win this tournament?
No, at the moment now I'll be happy, man. Whenever I finish my career, so this is the achievement, you know. After Imran Khan, we doesn't win a major event, something like World Cup. So I think this is the gift from us to our nation, and a nation like us, we need it is the right time. So I think it will be very cheering for our whole people.
So Pakistan were crowned World 2020 Champions of 2009. But how are they able to go one better than they had in South Africa in 2007?